Um, Now coming to this chapter where we will learn about what are the parameters. So far we have learned how a neuron get activated based on certain inputs and the weightages, which is a variable part. Okay, weightages are not part of the input, but these gets applied and it gets changed. Actually, this is a variable part. We have also learned about um, if your weight means your weightages and inputs are not sufficient to provide a particular threshold, we have added the biases also, and then later we have added the activation functions also. But in all this process, if you see that weights and biases are some different values which keeps on um, changing, okay, or we can change it to make sure that your network learns properly and it activates certain neurons to arrive at a particular conclusion, or it should give a particular output. Okay, so all your weights and biases, what you apply on these perceptrons, those are called the parameters. When it comes to a deep learning network, when there are more than one neurons are involved, your number of neurons, the connection in between these neurons, how many weights you are applying on these input values and biases, they all contribute towards the number of parameters. So next time when someone publishes with a model card like ChatGPT or something, you need to consider those. You know that what parameter means. It means they have that many number of neurons are involved, that many number of weights and biases they have applied for this entire network to reach or provide an output to you. So that's what the parameters represent. So next time any model card you see the what parameter means, that's exactly what it means. It means that these are your weights, biases, and number of neurons involved in all the layers, and that's what it contributes towards the parameters. These are nothing but the levers which you apply to the values. These are the changing values you applied so that you get an appropriate output actually. So that's what is the parameters. So I think it's very much clear that what a parameter means, and if when someone is